This is the exact system that I use to drawing better portraits. Most people will jump straight into the details, and that's exactly why their portraits fall apart. The secret isn't talent, it's structure. Every strong portrait starts with guidelines. Before I draw the eyes, hair, or shading, I map out the proportions using simple shapes and construction lines. And this stage is everything. I'll constantly triple check the balance of the face. Are the eyes aligned? Is the jaw tilted correctly? And does the nose sit in the proper position? If the foundation is off, the entire portrait feels wrong. Once the structure is locked in, I gradually build contrast and detail step by step using the exact system I've refined over the last 25 years as a professional artist. First, the contours, then the light direction, then I'll add the shadows, tones, textures, and subtle transitions that bring the portrait to life. And this is the same process that I developed and used as a professional art director working for companies like Microsoft and Activision Blizzard. I also created 2 interactive books for NASA, with one of them being live streamed from the International Space Station. I also built a YouTube empire with over 5 million subscribers and billions of views. And I also create content for Snoop Dogg. And now I offer that exact same system inside my sketch club on Skool. You get access to every course and workshop, personal critiques and feedback, and direct guidance from me to help accelerate your progress faster. Start your free 7-day trial today and finally learn the system behind professional level portraits. I'll leave the link for you in the description below, and I'll see you inside the club.